Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are going to be reviewing a food cover. So this thing covers your food in the microwave. Sorry guys, I keep laughing, I'm just got the giggle jiggles today. So if I could try and do this with one hand, our tripod is currently AWOL. It's on a mission of top secret things, so here we go, there we go. Alright, so this is it. It actually has, you can turn this, so you can have, let's see, the heat comes out, I think it's, yeah, you can have it that the heat comes out just one way, or two different ways, if you want it for venting. So just like this, we get our food, open up the microwave, place our food inside. Let's test this out. We'll probably do it for 2 minutes, and voila. And I'll get back to you guys and we'll see if it works good. Okay, now we go get our food. Let's check it. Oh, nice. It heated everything evenly. Time to eat. Well, I think we can officially give this a 10 out of 10 so far. So, microwave safe, freezer, and dishwasher safe. I don't know if this thing comes off or not, but probably not. It can be minus 24 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Celsius. Hey guys, I wanted to stop and take a very quick break and ask if you guys could hit that like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. It is very hard to grow these days, and if you could do that, that would mean so much to me. I really do appreciate it.